How to use Bayer Advanced Brush Killer. Bayer Advanced Brush Killer is a powerful herbicide designed to kill unwanted weeds and small plants. A single application will kill plants such as poison ivy, poison oak, blackberries and the hard-to-kill kudzu vine. In addition, the solution prevents roots and seeds from regrowing. Bayer Advanced Brush Killer is available in a ready-to-use formula, as well as a concentrated formula which must be mixed with water prior to use. Things you will need: garden sprayer, 1 gallon water, long sleeves, pants, eye protection. Wait until the brush and shrubs have fully developed their leaves, which is usually in the late spring or summer months. Remove the top from a garden sprayer and pour in 4 ounces, or half cup, of Bayer Advanced Brush Killer concentrate. Pour 1 gallon of water into the sprayer and place the top securely back onto the sprayer. Pump the sprayer handle up and down to pressurize the sprayer, if applicable. Rock the sprayer back and forth gently using your hands to mix the solution thoroughly. Adjust the nozzle of the sprayer so that it is completely open and point the sprayer one towards the brush. Spray the leaves of the brush with the solution until they are wet, but not dripping. Wait 1 to 3 days and then examine the brush for signs of growth. Most of the brush should already be dead or starting to yellow. If any brush is still green, apply a second treatment of the Bayer Advanced Brush Killer to the green plants only. Tips: Warnings. The above mixture will cover 500 square feet of brush. Wear long sleeves, pants and eye protection when applying the product. Wash hands thoroughly after applying the solution. Do not apply Bayer Advanced Brush Killer on windy days. Do not use this in areas where edible fruits and vegetables are grown, as it is hazardous if consumed.